What's up guys, today we are going to link the CAD file into the REVIT. So first of all we will be going toward the structural templates, and opening it will take a time. There is a difference between link and importing a CAD file. It will be discussed in coming videos that what is the difference between linking the CAD file and importing it. I will be doing a complete video on it. Now I have to go to the insert. I click insert, I click the link CAD file. I have done it. Now I have to move the where my file is. My file lies in my computer, in the semester BIM. So I click it. Now I will do the pre-settings for this, the pre-settings that is needed for this CAD file. I want to preserve that colors, origin and everything that I have, so I will do it. Set the colors that I want to preserve as it is, and I want all the layers in that is in the CAD file. I want all the things this similar to the CAD file. So now I have to keep the origin same, which is the draftsman or the architecture of that file kept. I want to keep that origin same to my REVIT new file, so I will do only default setting. Now I have to open this file. It will open in a few seconds. After opening, how I will see it, it will look like that. I have already it in my document file, so I will delete. It will look like that. Now I have to open it. I have opened it. Now I will move it to the center, but before moving it here I will have to unpin it. I unpin it, I click here, I brought it here. Now it's in the center, but it will contain a lot of things. This table, this chair, these plants, these everything. That's sometime I am confused where the exact wall are, where the exact things are. So I want to build the walls here, so I will don't remove, but I will unpin unchecked their visibility. So I will go to the visibility setting for it, and I will half tone it. How I will do it? I will do it right here, right now. Go to the visibility edit menu. I click on edit. I will click on the imported categories. On important categories I will extend the semi-detached. It's contain a lot of things. AutoCAD itself know that how many things it contain, and I select all of those. I unchecked all of them. I only want to check the semi-detached, and I want to check the half tone. I need it in the half tone, so I click on the half tone. No, I will click on the wall because I need the wall, and I check the walls. Now you will see the effect, how it will affect the CAD drawing here in the REVIT. I click. Now I applied it, and let's check the results. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, it helps a lot.